So welcome back to our learning channel. Today's topic is about pythons. So pythons are large, non-venomous constrictor snakes known for their muscular build, flexible jaws, and heat-sensing pits. They are ambush predators, meaning they wait for prey to come within striking distance before striking. Pythons are also adaptable, thriving in various environments and even being popular pets due to their peaceful personalities. Here's a more detailed look at their characteristics. Physical traits. Size. Pythons can range in size, with some species reaching lengths of over 30 feet. Muscular build. Their bodies are muscular, allowing them to constrict their prey. Flexible jaws. Their jaws are flexible, enabling them to swallow prey larger than their heads. Heat-sensing pits. Most pythons have heat-sensitive pits along their jaws, which help them detect the heat of prey. Distinctive patterns. They have unique patterns on their scaly skin, which can serve as camouflage.